Make a great choice today with the 2022 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel independent suspension, body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.